Unit 1, Grade 5, Term 2. Teaching patriotism to the pupils. The Saudi government takes care of its people by providing many different services such as free health care, military, and education to all its citizens. It's our duty to love our country and protect it. Think. قال تعالى أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم إن الصلاة كانت على المؤمنين كتابا موقوتا. Okay, the clue here is in the ayah. What is the unit going to be about? It is not about prayers, but it is about something very important as well. What is it? Think. We're going to read the next ayah and try to think about it. قال تعالى والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر. سورة العصر. وقال تعالى والليل إذا يغشى والنهار إذا تجلى. سورة الليل. وقال تعالى والفجر وليال عشر. سورة الفجر. So what are these? العصر والليل والفجر. What are they? They are what? Think. So did you reach to the conclusion? It is about all these ayahs are talking about time. The Asr and the Layl and Fajr they are all different times of the day. So the ayahs are talking about time. So the unit is going to be about time. Unit objectives. The students will be able to respond to questions asking about time and activities. Number 2, ask about the time. Number 3, spell the words correctly. Number 4, label the clocks with the correct time. Number 5, demonstrate conversations asking about the time. Time. Unit 1, Lesson 1, Activity 1. Listen to the conversation between Ali and his father. Ali's father. Ready? Let's go. Okay. What's the time, please? Ali's father. It's 12:15. Thank you. Oh no, I'm late. Can you take me to Tom's, please? Unit 1, Lesson 1, Activity 2. Listen and say. Ali. Sorry, I'm late. Tom. No, you're not. You're early. Ali. What's the time? Tom. It's 10:30. Activity 3A. Listen and find number. Number 1. What's the time, please? It's 10 o'clock. Number 2. What's the time, please? It's 1 o'clock. Number 3. What's the time, please? It's 3:30. Number 4. What's the time, please? It's 12 o'clock. Number 5. What's the time, please? It's 8:15. I'm going to repeat again. Number 1. What's the time, please? Number 1 is already done for us. It's 10 o'clock. Number 2. What's the time, please? It's 1 o'clock. Number 3. What's the time, please? It's 3:30. Number 4. What's the time, please? It's 12 o'clock. Number 5. What's the time, please? It's 8:15. 1. What's the time, please? It's 8 o'clock. Sorry, I'm late. No, you're not. You're early. Number 2. What's the time, please? It's 2 o'clock. Sorry, we're late. No, you're not. You're early. In this question number 2, we're going to read and complete. We have the words in the box. We're going to use them to complete the conversation. We have please, time, you, it's, think, and 10. So number 1, what's the please? What we're asking about here? What are we asking about? We're asking about time. What's the time, please? So number 1, what's the time, please? Number 2, it's 1:15. Thank. Number 3, thank. When you say thank, you normally say you. Thank you. Number 4, what's the time? And we want to be polite, we're going to say please. What's the time, please? Number 5, it's what? Give me a time. After it's, we have to put a time. It's 10 o'clock. Blank you. Thank you. Number 6, thank you. That's it. We have grammar focus. We have o'clock, 15, and 30. Okay, so how do we know the difference? 2 o'clock, when we have, look at the first picture. It is 2, and the small hand is at the 2, and the big hand is at the 12. This means that it is 2 o'clock exactly. So 2 o'clock. Then we have the second picture. It's 2:30. What do you mean by 30? The big hand, each 5 minutes, each each number counts for 5 minutes. So count with me: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So it's 2:30. The last one, it's 2. Here, count how many? 5, 10, 15. It's 2:15. This is how you do it. Here we have phonics. Look, listen, and say pla, pla. The first sound is the PL together. It makes the sound pla, plane, aeroplane. So plane, pla, pla, plane, pla, pla, plane. The second sound, the GL together, gla, 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 glass, gla, gla, glass. A glass of juice. And an aeroplane. Question 5B, you're going to listen and tick if the sound if it has the gla sound or the pla sound. You're going to put tick. If it doesn't, then don't put anything. Number 1, blue. Yes or no? No, of course not. It's blah. It's not pla. Okay, so it is not. Number 2, apple. No. Okay. Then we have plus. Plus? Yes. Okay. The next one we have English. Gla. Yes. English. Yes. Okay. Tick English. Number 2, the second word in number 2, gray. No. And then we have girl. No. So we're going to tick plus and English. That's it. For watching, prepared by Ms. Noura Ghazali.